Here are the 20 newest, smartest, and most accurate indicators on TradingView that are absolutely mandatory for your trading arsenal. No matter if you're a day trader looking to profit from quick market moves, a scalper aiming for precision in the midst of the action, or a swing trader planning your next big play, this list may have just the thing you're looking for. Make sure you watch this video carefully and save these powerful tools for future use. Trust me, you don't want to miss my #1 indicator. So if you haven't already, click that subscribe button and ring the bell to stay updated with our latest insights, strategies, and technical indicators. Let's kick things off with the Market Structure Algo, our 20th essential indicator on the list. The Market Structure Algo by Omega Tools is a free tool that looks like a premium Lux Algo indicator. It works best in shorter time frames like 5 and 15 minutes. This advanced analysis tool is designed to identify the market structure through a combination of pivot highs and lows, creating a deeper understanding of potential market movements. It differentiates between internal and external market structures by analyzing pivot points over different periods. This dual analysis allows for a better understanding of short-term and long-term market trends. The indicator introduces a unique approach to displaying potential areas of interest or zones around pivot points, adjustable through the zone distance setting. Based on a comprehensive algorithm, the MS Algo identifies potential signals for entering and exiting trades based on the internal market structure. These signals are visually represented on the chart, aiding in decision making. To apply the MS Algo to your TradingView charts, adjust the internal MS and external MS settings to align with your analysis preferences. The zone distance input allows for customization of the zone visualization feature. Next up on my list is Trending RSI. Trending RSI takes a new approach to RSI and is designed to provide all the missing information that traditional RSI lacks. Questions such as why the price continues to decline even during an oversold period can be answered using Trending RSI. These types of movements are due to the market still trending, and traditional RSI cannot tell traders this. Trending RSI fixes this by introducing trend information back into the oscillator. By reverse engineering RSI, the creators have made a new indicator that is no longer bound between 0 and 100. Instead, it provides the traditional 70 and 30 zones as bands and 50 as a center line that still represent these zones perfectly. This transformed the RSI into a centered oscillator instead of a normalized oscillator. When the market is trending, the trending RSI represents this as the center line being below or above 0. Just like the MACD, the center line is colored to represent market phases. You can use the center line as a directional filter for your trades by only picking trades in the direction of the center line. The 18th indicator you should absolutely test out is called the ICT Kill Zones Toolkit by Lux Algo. This tool works in time frames lower than 15 minutes. The ICT Kill Zones Toolkit is an advanced set of tools designed to assist you in tracking key trading zones and patterns within the market. The ICT Kill Zones Toolkit includes price action components like ICT Kill Zones with pivot highs and lows, order blocks, breaker blocks, fair value gaps, and market structure shifts. By combining these components, the ICT Kill Zone Toolkit equips you with a complete framework for analyzing the market and identifying setups of interest. Leveraging these tools effectively can enhance your decision-making process and improve kill zones readability. In Forex and futures trading, timing is crucial. ICT kill zones are specific periods when there's a higher chance of finding setups of interest. We can see in the following example that when we price retest setups generated from kill zones such as order blocks or fair value gaps, a potential strategy could be to look for entries on those and take profits as the next kill zone appears. In the 17th place, I put an indicator called Momentum Ghost Machine by Chart Prime. This indicator can serve as a secondary confirmation tool. This tool takes advantage of the properties of one of our favorite filters, MACD, to create a more accurate and stable momentum oscillator by using a high-quality filter lag signal to compare momentum. Traditional momentum rate of change uses raw price data to compare the current price to the previous price to generate a directional oscillator. This leaves the oscillator prone to false readings and noisy outputs that leave traders unsure of the real likelihood of future movement. This indicator has a few extra features that other momentum ROC indicators don't have. One major yet simple improvement is the inclusion of a moving average to help gauge the rate of change in this indicator. Next up is a super powerful indicator called the Squeeze Momentum Deluxe by Eli Cobra. This is a next-generation squeeze momentum index built with momentum, volatility, and price action. To understand how to profit from this indicator, we first need to become familiar with its components. The first component, the momentum oscillator, measures the relationship between price and its extremes over a defined period. The second component is squeeze bars. The original squeeze concept is based on the relationship between the Ballinger Bands and Keltner channel. The third component is directional flux. This component measures the overall direction of price volatility, offering insights into trend sentiment presented as waves in the background. It includes an overflux feature to signal extreme market bias in a particular direction, which can signal either exhaustion or vital continuation. The next feature is the confluence gauges placed at the top and bottom of the indicator. These gauges measure the confluence in the relationship between the momentum oscillator and directional flux. They provide you with an easily interpenetrable visual aid for detecting market sentiment. The fifth component is real-time divergences. Equipped with a custom algorithm, the indicator detects real-time divergences between price and the oscillator. This dynamic feature enhances your ability to spot potential trends, reversals as they occur. Overall, this is a great oscillator to test out. Next up is the Liquidation Levels with Liquidity Sweeps by Algo Alpha. The heart of this indicator lies in its ability to track and highlight liquidity levels derived from swing pivots and sweeps across multiple time frames. By calculating relative volume against a user-defined threshold, it identifies strong volume movements typical of liquidity breakouts. When a liquidity level is breached but not completely mitigated, it's either marked as a bullish or bearish sweep, which comes with the option to show an estimate of the number of liquidations during the sweep. To maximize your trading efficiency with the liquidity levels with Liquidation Sweeps indicator, follow these simple steps. Access the indicator settings to personalize the time frame multiplier, high volume threshold, and relative volume period. Customize these settings to match your trading strategy and chart preferences. Once you're done with the settings, monitor the chart for liquidity levels and sweeps. Bullish sweeps are marked with green labels, bearish sweeps with red, and breakouts are highlighted in the chart background. Enable alert conditions for liquidity breakouts and sweeps within the indicator settings. This feature allows you to receive real-time notifications, helping you to act promptly on trading opportunities. The 14th indicator on my list is the Predictive Channel Signals Indicator by Eagle V Sniper. The indicator is thoughtfully crafted for traders who seek to identify potential support and resistance levels, anticipate market reversals, and optimize entry and exit points through advanced technical analysis. The script calculates predictive channels based on price movements and volatility, represented by adjustable factors for sensitivity and slope. These channels adapt to changing market conditions, providing real-time support and resistance levels. The indicator generates buying and selling signals based on the interaction between moving averages and predictive channels. In practice, before opening a long trade, it is essential to check for the following confluences. First, the trend channel is ascending. Second, the price has closed above the moving average. Third, the indicator produces a strong buy signal. Trend channel lines can serve as profit targets. Next up on my list is Ghost Tangent Crossings by Chart Prime. Ghost Tangent Crossings is a revolutionary way to visualize pivot points in zigzag patterns that utilize ellipses. This indicator ensures each pivot is plotted from high to low, ensuring a correct zigzag wave pattern. Before a zigzag is confirmed, Ghost Tangent Crossings plots an estimate of the next valid move, allowing you to plan well ahead of time. Once it is confirmed, the indicator will fill in the plot with a solid color and print a break label. From this point, a line is plotted with the slope at that location. And when the price breaks this level, a break label is displayed. Alternatively, you can plot this point as a horizontal line. This area works as support and resistance for the market, as well as the point where the balance and movement are found. Alright, let's move on to the next indicator, the Trade's Daily Bias by Trade4Op. This powerful tool aims to develop a higher time frame bias and collect data on its success rate. This indicator focuses on one specific method that uses previous highs and lows. Each new day starts by drawing out the PDH and PDL levels. They start out as blue and turn red once traded through. These are the default colors, which can be changed in the indicator settings. The triangles you see are plotted to indicate the time at which PDH or PDL was traded through. This color scheme is also applied to the table in the top right. Once a bias is determined, that cell's color starts out as blue and turns red once the level is traded through. The table indicates the success rate of price hitting the levels provided by each period's bias, followed by the success rate of price closing through said levels after reaching them, as well as the sample size of data collected for each scenario. As an example of how to read the table's data, we can look at the PDH row of the Solana chart. The sample size here indicates that there were 55 instances where the daily bias was assigned as PDH. From this sample size, 51 instances resulted in the price hitting this level, equating to a success rate of 92.7%. The closing success rate indicates that price closed above the PDH level only 7.3% of the time. This data can be useful when trying to establish a long or short bias based on prior data. Up next is the Best Entry Points Indicator by Eagle V Sniper. This indicator is a powerful tool for traders looking to maximize their entry and exit points in the market. It combines the Relative Strength Index with Stochastic and Commodity Channel Index. It also includes a trend filter to filter out trades against the market trend. Green up arrows indicate a buy signal, while red down arrows indicate a sell signal. For optimal performance, it is recommended to use this indicator in conjunction with other technical analysis tools. The indicator works well in lower time frame and can be a great addition to your strategy for refining entries. The 10th indicator on my list is candlesticks with trend by cryptic style. This unique tool can be used as an alternative to traditional Japanese candlesticks and works well with most price action strategies. This indicator shows the real close of each candle by coloring the candle wick accordingly. When the market is trending, you will see a red body followed by a green wick, or a green body followed by a red wick. When the market is not trending, the wick and body will match colors. For higher time frame traders, this indicator can also show divergence for the RSI. Using this indicator to find trending markets is the best use for this indicator. This way, you can avoid taking false signals and avoid staying in a trade longer than you should. The next indicator is the GVI ATR Bands. This indicator is designed to calculate a trailing stop using the average true range of the market. This approach considers the volatility of the market to avoid being prematurely stopped out by short-term fluctuations. This way, traders can focus on the longer-term trend and not get shaken out of trades too early. The bands in this indicator are calculated using the ATR and are displayed as lines above and below the price. Traders can set their stop-loss orders at these levels to allow room for the trade to breathe while protecting their profits. Additionally, the indicator can help identify potential breakout and reversal points by analyzing the price interaction with the ATR bands. The 8th indicator on my list is the Supertrend Indicator by Keybank Osbilgic. This is a trend-following indicator that helps traders identify the direction of the market and find potential entry and exit points. It is plotted on the price chart as a line that changes color depending on the trend direction. The indicator uses the average true range, or ATR, to calculate its values, making it adaptable to market volatility. When the price is above the super trend line, it indicates an uptrend, and when the price is below the super trend line, it indicates a downtrend. The Supertrend Indicator is easy to use and can be combined with other technical analysis tools for more robust trading strategies. The next indicator is the Volume Profile Indicator by Lux Algo. This tool displays the volume traded at different price levels over a specified period. It helps traders identify areas of high and low trading activity, providing insights into potential support and resistance levels. The Volume Profile Indicator plots a histogram on the price chart showing the volume traded at each price level. The areas with the highest volume are known as high volume nodes, while areas with low volume are known as low volume nodes. By analyzing the volume profile, traders can identify key price levels where significant buying or selling interests exist, helping them make more informed trading decisions. The 6th indicator on my list is the VWAP, or Volume Weighted Average Price Indicator by TradingView. This indicator calculates the average price of an asset weighted by its trading volume over a specified period. The VWAP is plotted as a line on the price chart and is used to identify the average price at which most trading activity has occurred. When the price is above the VWAP, it indicates bullish sentiment, and when the price is below the VWAP, it indicates bearish sentiment. The VWAP can be used as a trend-following indicator and to identify potential support and resistance levels. The next indicator is the RSI, or Relative Strength Index, by TradingView. This momentum oscillator measures the speed and change of price movements. It ranges from 0 to 100 and is used to identify overbought and oversold conditions in the market. When the RSI is above 70, it indicates overbought conditions, and when it is below 30, it indicates oversold conditions. The RSI can also be used to identify potential trend reversals and divergence between price and momentum. It is a popular indicator among traders and can be combined with other technical analysis tools for more robust trading strategies. The fourth indicator on my list is the MACD, or Moving Average Convergence Divergence Indicator, by TradingView. This trend-following momentum indicator shows the relationship between two moving averages of an asset's price. The MACD is calculated by subtracting the 26-period EMA from the 12-period EMA, and the result is plotted as a line on the price chart. A 9-period EMA of the MACD, known as the signal line, is also plotted on the chart. When the MACD line crosses above the signal line, it indicates a bullish signal, and when it crosses below the signal line, it indicates a bearish signal. The MACD is a versatile indicator that can be used to identify trend direction, momentum, and potential reversal points. The next indicator is the Ballinger Bands indicator by TradingView. This volatility indicator consists of a middle band, a simple moving average, and two outer bands that are calculated based on the standard deviation of the asset's price. The outer bands expand and contract based on market volatility. When the price is near the upper band, it indicates overbought conditions, and when it is near the lower band, it indicates oversold conditions. The Ballinger Bands can also be used to identify potential breakouts and reversal points, making them a versatile tool for traders. The second indicator on my list is the Fibonacci Retracement Indicator by TradingView. This tool is used to identify potential support and resistance levels based on the Fibonacci sequence. The indicator plots horizontal lines at key Fibonacci levels on the price chart, helping traders identify potential reversal points. The Fibonacci Retracement Indicator is popular among traders for its ability to predict potential price movements and identify key levels where the market is likely to reverse or continue its trend. And finally, my number one indicator is the Ichimoku Cloud Indicator by TradingView. This comprehensive trend-following indicator provides insights into trend direction, momentum, and potential support and resistance levels. The Ichimoku Cloud consists of 5 lines: the Tenkan-sen, Kijyu-sen, Senku-span A, Senku-span B, and Chiku-span. The area between the Senku-span A and Senku-span B lines forms the cloud, which changes color based on the trend direction. When the price is above the cloud, it indicates an uptrend, and when the price is below the cloud, it indicates a downtrend. The Ichimoku Cloud Indicator is a powerful tool that can be used on its own or in combination with other technical analysis tools for a comprehensive trading strategy. These 20 indicators are essential for any trader looking to enhance their trading arsenal and improve their decision-making process. Make sure to test them out and find the ones that work best for your trading style. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more trading insights and strategies. Happy trading!